Okay, good morning. So here is the open for Tuesday. This was the start of the Globex session for the 19th. So we opened up, we pulled down to this CPA, probed it by what was this? Oh, by the way, so on this chart it has the prices marked and then a point on each side is marked. And you've seen that in a couple of mine. You'll likely see that in the pre-market walkthroughs on most of these. So here's we came down to here, and then we moved right up here, 24 half, and then here's this 29 quarter. By the way, you notice we said 25 yesterday, and then here's 25 to the tick in the overnight session. And then it sold off a little bit from there, and then we came up and broke it. Then we came back here and tested this. Used this 3 different times here before breaking it. Came up here to 32 half, pulled back here, and then we've kind of stalled out here. So a couple of different scenarios. We could come down to this 24.75, 24 half, somewhere down in this area, and we could go higher. So pay attention to this area as it comes down here. We'd really need to get back up above this 29 quarter, back up above this 30 half, these two right here. So if we could get back up above here, so 29 quarter here and then 30 half, and if we could get back up above that, that probably gets us this push up into the 36 area, and then there's 40 quarter, and it just depends on how strong this thing is. If it's very strong, we could get this push. If it's really strong, we could get this push up into the 50s, but we would need to break these two for that to happen. So I'll make this so you can actually see it here again. And if we go back here, I got to make this a little bit smaller. So on the other side of this, what we're looking at is we could come back here. We didn't entirely, we came back, we didn't use this to the tick over here. So we could come back and use this. So if we break 24 half area, then we're expecting 17 quarter area. And then we really used this, so below 17 quarter, we're not really looking for 11.75. We really sort of used that already. And the next price would be 06. And then 0575. And we haven't really used any of these, so down in the 3100 in the high 90s. So we've used this 11 area, but we haven't used any of these prices down below 11. So really any of those we could see the market using. So there you have it. So this morning, if we can't get back up above here, there's some selling opportunities down to at least here. If this doesn't hold for another push up, then there's some selling opportunities at least to here. If this doesn't hold for a decent bounce, there's some selling opportunities down to that 06 area. So there you have it.